Hey, can anybody help me out with some suggestions or what to do? Y'all hear how this blower sound? About ready to cut off. It's brand fucking new. This is the one I won for the Echo giveaway. I ain't gonna say nothing bad about it because you know it works, but I just don't understand how a blower can be brand new, not on choke, and it's just like it don't want to work for real. You know what I'm saying? It worked like a temp worker. This is when it feel like working. It's brand new. I used the Echo oil, Echo Red Armor, but like I said, I think they gave me a defective blower. You know. What's up, Echo? Can you help me out? I appreciate the blower and winning it, but this thing has been in trouble since I got it. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Like I say, you can see that it's new. It got a little dust on it from use, but it's not on choke. That's choke. Let's say I don't know what's wrong with these. Maybe it's just because I'm a Red Max guy. But this thing has been doing it since I first started using it. So if anybody got any experience with them, let me know what I can do to fix it.